Hey guys, it's Pauline again. So I thought that I would share how I plan to use this as a wallet. I don't know if it's going to work. I actually already have doubts about it working out for me, but I'm going to give it a try. So I wasn't able to put like not even half of all my the stuff that I normally have in my wallet in here. So I used this other one. That was not what I originally thought I was going to do with this. But then I ended up using this as a kind of a sock drawer wallet. And you'll know what I mean in just a minute. So this one is going to be my everyday carry. And I don't know if it's going to work. It's pretty heavy. And then, especially at the beginning of the year, I'm going to add my, my, what is it? Hobonichi weeks. And this is going to be kind of heavy. So I'm going to use, I should have brought it in here with me, but I have my Hobonichi weeks in my traveler's notebook, the standard size. And I think I'm gonna like that. So anyway, all of that is going to be in my purse. I'm going to carry this one, and I'm going to carry this one every day, and then the Hobonichi weeks traveler's notebook. That's a lot. And this one is heavy. This is heavy too, but this is not going to be like my everyday carry. This is more like my sock drawer cards mainly. So this will be for different occasions. Like if I know I'm going to a specific store and I have a card for it, and don't worry about me. I'm not in debt. I don't leave balances on my cards, but I use them more like a coupon. But anyway, let's get into this. So, I have this set up this way. So, in order not to scratch this up and stuff, I use my my folder to go up against this, and you can see why. Look at here. This is already transferring on here. And I haven't even been using this much. All right, and then I have just some stickers in here, and then here's the wallet. I love it. I think it's so pretty. I just love it. And then this little pen right here, I just got this one. This is from the Pen Boutique. This was in their mystery box, and I actually like it. Now this one, I looked it up. This is a cheap pen. I think this one came with, yeah, you got this and you got a ballpoint pen. It was in a gift set, and it's under the two pens together. I think they were under $20, but I really like this. I was writing with it, and I like the way it writes. Let's see. It's a little thick, but I really like it. It's really smooth. So this is going to be in my everyday carry one. And like I said, that was the cheap one. All right. And then, let's see. I have what I consider my workhorse cards, the ones I use every day. And then these are the ones I kind of use for specific things. And then I had to use, I had to have like a notebook in here. So I picked the one that actually goes with this. I haven't used it yet. It's kind of like, I don't know. I don't want to use it. I need to use it, but it's so nice. I kind of don't want to use it, if that makes any sense. And so I put some extra stickers back here, and I wanted to put this one here, but it doesn't. It doesn't fit. So I am going to see how I like it living right there. And then with just some random cards. So, and then I figure that I'll either use, when I have some folded bills, I'll either put them in here or here. I don't know which ones will aggravate me less. So, let's see. We'll see. So, I know the coins I have to go in here, but maybe the folded bills might go in there, or if I can get them in and out. Actually don't have any folded bills right now to test it out, but if I can get it out without it aggravating me, it'll probably be in here. And I hardly use folded bills anymore. It's just for my son's haircut, basically. All right, and then that's just some football schedule. I thought that was really cute. I really like it. So, and I don't even follow sports like that. But, and then I have my clip. So that is my everyday carry setup. And then this one, I just got this one. I really like this. This is only $25, but it is so nice. I just love it. Okay, but so I tried to see if I wanted to put my my other things in here, but it just didn't work out. And so I was gonna put more cards in here, but it doesn't work well when you have 4 cards in there. It didn't work well. So I don't know. So let's see. This is mainly like my like I said, my sock drawer cards. And oops. And then we have this. I kind of wanted to carry this in my everyday carry, but it was getting kind of thick and heavy, so I decided to put it here. And then this is really nice, but it's really tight. So I don't know if I'm going to use this. If I did, it would probably just be like something decorative, like a decorative paper clip or something like that. And I really like these pens. These, I don't know how to pronounce it. I guess Cleaner pens, but these are nice. All right, so that's that one. And then this is the one I've been using. I love, this is the cheapest one I have, besides this one. And I love it. I love the feel of it. I love this one. So this is my favorite. And then, so this one doesn't have any of the cards or anything in it. This is just for putting down my thoughts or whatever. And one day I'm gonna use this one, but right now I like the look of it. So I haven't used this one yet. This is the only one I'm using right now, and I'm just barely using it. So I have, I've written in it a couple of days. And let's see. And then I tried this one. This is the moleskin, if I'm pronouncing that right. And so I just started this one. And then I have a little clip that lives back there. And then this Metropolitan pen. I like the cheap ones. This Pilot Metropolitan, I love it. I really like the way it writes. I like that one. And the other Pilot one I have. This one is not expensive either. I mean, it's like $28, which is expensive to me. But I like this one. Right now, this is my favorite pen. And then I do like the Kavecos. Now this one, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this one, but it was already the cartridge was already engaged, which makes me wonder if it was a like a return or something, because they don't usually, you know, they don't engage them for you. So, but this one was already engaged. So this one came and is not, and so I'm not going to pop this one yet. I'm gonna decide what I want to do with this one, and so I don't need it yet, so I'm not gonna pop it yet. All right. So and then with this one, I put the only one that really seems like it belongs in here, because I tried some other ones and they're just too little, is this one. Now this pen, this is the one I got from Pen Boutique. If I have a video unboxing this, and there's a link to it. This one was originally $30, no, originally $100, they say on the website, but it's like $60, $70 anywhere else. But anyway, they had it marked down to $29, and it's nice. I like it, but it's not my favorite. But it seems like it belongs in here. It's big enough for it and stuff like that. So let's see. I'll show you. I mean, it's nice. It's nice and heavy. And the ink that's in here, I used the ink that came in the mystery box. It was this one. It's nice. I like it. I probably never would have bought it myself, but I do like it. All right. And then let's see. I think I was going to show you guys that this one I just inked up. I inked it with this one, and for some reason I thought this was a shimmer ink, but it is not. But I inked it up with this one. Very pretty. But this one is not going to be my favorite at all. It is really, it's supposed to be a medium nib, but it puts down a lot of ink. Oops. So let me show you. It's really smooth, but that's a lot. All right. But I like that they gave me a pen case with it. And I looked online to see if they're supposed to come with a pen case. It doesn't list it in the like it's included. So I don't know, but I love it. I love that they gave that to me. It's very, very nice. And so it's gonna live in there, because I'll remember that this is my medium nib. All right. I think that's all I had to share today, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.